How hot should your cook tip be when you remaking scrambled eggs? The Hestan Cue wants to get it right down to the degree. Not just medium-low, or is it low-medium? The system consists of a pan with a Bluetooth-enabled capsule in the handle and an induction burner that communicates with the pan. If the pan's surface is too hot or cold, the burner responds accordingly. Using an app, you control the burner as videos of a chef show you each step for making Migas eggs. How does the supposedly foolproof combination of a precisely temperature-controlled burner and pan work when it comes to steak, caramel sauce, and pancakes? Our Hestan Cue review reveals all. A 12, 5-inch silver and black disc. The Hestan Cue's burner might look like a futuristic conference call device if it were smaller. It weighs about 4-5 pounds and has 2 buttons on either side of a slide control that lets you manually set the temperature. With those dimensions, it likely won't fit in many kitchen cupboards. When it turns on, it sounds like an exhaust fan, and there's occasionally a droning noise, which Hestan says is typical for induction. The 11-inch stainless steel pan isn't meant to go in the dishwasher or oven, and isn't meant to be used on a traditional stovetop. The handle houses the removable smart capsule, which runs on a single AAA battery. Using the U app, you select a recipe. Before you start cooking, the app will instruct you to press the power button, which is to the left of the temperature control. Then you press the next button on the other side of the control bar. The pan heats up very fast, typically within a couple of minutes. Right now, the Hestan Cue teaches users to cook, but it instructs them using a very specific recipe set. Let's take scrambled eggs, for example. If you wanted to make them with the system, the closest thing is a recipe for Migas eggs. When we first reviewed the Cue, it meant you had to click through instructions about chopping onions and then wait while the pan thought it was frying sausages. There was no way to skip these steps. A recent app update now allows you to hold the next button to skip a step, especially helpful if you not waiting for 2 hours for chicken to marinate. Single quote.